Alright, we have a trade right here on oil. We're going to go 6 contracts on this trade, and we're going to go short. We got our fill here, average fill at 41.81. We'll go for a 12 tick profit target. Now again, I recommend everyone go to our free trial. It's a week. You can see, watch us trade everything. You can't really tell a whole lot from these videos of how good we actually perform. Of course, you can always just show the good trades and not show the bad ones. And so, but if you go to the free trial, you get to see everything. So I really recommend people do that. We only trade from 9:30 to 11:30 Eastern Standard each day, so it's not like you got to stay in the room all day, and you'll get a good idea of how we do. All right, back to the trade here. Starting to go a little bit against us here, but that's just a wiggle, hopefully, so we won't get too worked up about that. Our trader's calling a potential trade over on 6E, so we may have to double, or we may double up on our trade right here. We're in the oil trade right now. Each tick here in oil is $10 per tick per contract, whereas right here on 6E it's $12.50 per tick per contract. So let's take a look at this right here. We'll go ahead and alright, we're seeing a nice continuation short here on 6E. We put in our trade, so we're in 6 contracts short. So we have 2 trades going on, a short on oil and a short on 6E. Here's our oil, and it's still plodding along in the negative territory, but that's okay. We'll just keep an eye on it. We're finally starting to get into the green area. Spent a little time in the negative there, but like I said, it was just a wiggle. But we have our stops in place in case it wasn't just a wiggle and we got stopped out. And again, we call these trades in the room for you. Here's our 6E trade. Basically isn't doing anything. Pretty much at our break-even point here. And back to oil, and it's pretty much at our break-even point too. So we're just kind of coasting right here until this market gets out of this little range it's in. Just have to be a little patient sometimes with these trades. Okay, the 6E trade's looking pretty good, and so is our oil trade. Actually, I think we might be out with profit on our oil. Let me just concentrate on this 6E trade right here, and let's make sure we can get out of this thing with our profit. Yeah, we're out of the oil trade, and we're out of the 6E trade, so we're up 1,500 here on 2 trades. Nice. There's our oil trade, and it hit our profit target too. So 1,500 on 2 simultaneous trades. Difficult word to say. And anyway, that's a good place to stop, and everyone have a good weekend, and we'll see you all next week.